guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new here and you do not know who I am, my name is Alukrita Barua. I create content around fashion, beauty, makeup, skincare, and I also do a lot of hauls. So if you're looking for something like that, then please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. So today's video is going to be about an Amazon fashion haul. I've never shopped from Amazon before in terms of clothing items. Like I've always, purchased items like clothing pieces from Myntra or H&M or Zara and those sort of places, but never from Amazon. But this time I thought that, hey, let's just give it a try. I've been seeing these videos on YouTube, a lot of people reviewing clothing items from Amazon, and I thought that, hey, those are pretty affordable stuff from Amazon, and it looks nice. So I went through the app and I got myself a couple of pieces. These were very affordable. Most of the things that I'm going to show you today were under 500 rupees. There could be one or two pieces that were just slightly above 500, not even above 600, like somewhere between 5 to 600. And I'll leave all the prices on the screen somewhere and the links of each and every piece in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. Anyway, let's get started with the video. The first thing that I want to show you, is a skirt. So I just got one bottom wear. Rest all the things are tops. Usually I don't buy a lot of bottoms online because I'm a bit curvy and I don't really know my size when it comes to bottoms. Like I usually wear M or L, and sometimes L doesn't fit, sometimes M doesn't fit. So I usually stay away from getting myself bottom wears. I need to try it out first before I can really know for sure that this fits good. So this is the first skirt that I got. It's a beautiful skirt. I think this is so appropriate for the fall winter season. I mean, love the colors, love the print that's going on, and it has sort of an elastic band at the back. There's a zip at the side, and there are two slits at the front. Now I'm going to put in the try-on clips at the side here or somewhere on the screen so you'll be able to see better. This is from this brand called Sarah. That's what it says. And I got this in size L. Well, before I got this, I had ordered this for size M. Well, I thought that M is gonna fit me because it has like an elastic, and it's a skirt. Usually I prefer skirts if they're like slightly body hugging, but the M didn't fit me. Like it didn't even go above my waist, so like my thighs. So I was like, I had to return it back and go for an L size. So if you are someone who is a little bit curvier at the bottom, then I recommend that you size up. But the skirt is really pretty. It's not too long, it's not too short. It hits at the right length. Like it goes up. It's obviously above the knees, but it's not very short that you're going to feel uncomfortable wearing it. And the material is cotton. It's like a very beautiful, breathable material. I think this is going to look so good with knee-high boots and maybe something like a lighter shade of top, something of this shade but slightly lighter, and maybe a long trench coat. It's going to look so good. Now let's move on to the tops section. So these are the first top that I'm going to show you is this one. So this is like a ribbed material. As you can see, you can clearly see it's like pretty stretchable. It's not see-through. It has a bit of a turtleneck here, and it's like half sleeves. It's not too cropped, and it's not like really long. So I think this one with that skirt is gonna look so good together. So yeah, this was also very affordable, somewhere around 399 rupees. I'm not sure, but yeah, the fitting, as you can see on the try-on clip, looks seriously, it looks good. It's quite body hugging, and I got this in the size M. Yeah, I got this in the size M. All the tops were in size M, and the skirt was for size L. Okay, so the next top is this one. It's it's like a full length top. It's not crop top, so if you're not comfortable wearing crop tops, then you can definitely check these out. And it has like a mess mesh sleeve. The sleeve here looks like this, like it flares out at the end. The mesh is comfortable, it's not itchy or anything. It has sort of these polka dots throughout the sleeve. And the best part is the neck. The neck looks really pretty. It's sort of like a sweetheart neckline. It's slightly deep. I wouldn't call it like really deep. You'll be able to see on the try on here, but you can wear it comfortably. It doesn't look indecent or anything. And I think this is such a beautiful party wear top now. Like, parties and festive season is around the corner, so I thought, you know, this is gonna look so good with like a beautiful leather skirt or a leather pants. And yeah, with a beautiful neck piece, like you can accessorize it really well with this top, and you'll just be ready to go out the door for the party. Okay, let's move on to the next top. Again, something really appropriate for the winters and the transition weather is this one. So now this one is slightly cropped. It's full sleeved, again in that ribbed material, not very see-through. And then it has these buttons going all the way down. I did have one issue with this. I got it in my size, I got it in M. But when you wear it, like if you button up all the buttons, then what happens is, since this is so stretchable, the buttons tend to, you know, the gaps in between tend to show like that. You'll be able to see it here on the try on. So what I like to do with this is, I just keep only these two buttons open and these two buttons closed and the rest open. So that way it's not stretching or pulling too much. And that's how the model had you know, worn the top. Like, that's how she was wearing it. She didn't put all the buttons up, she just had 2 or 3 buttons closed, and it looked really nice. So I'm not sure if you'll be comfortable with that, but if you are, it looks really good. You should try it out. But if not, then I recommend that you size up, because since it stretches out here at the bust area, this sort of, you know, just looks, it doesn't look really nice. So that was the only issue with this top. Otherwise, the fitting is really nice. I think this is also gonna look so good with that skirt. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Again, in that similar material, very ribbed and stretchable. It has this turtleneck here, and then a small slit here at the front. It's a simple top. It's cropped. It's not too cropped, so it's very comfortable to wear. Sleeves are like full sleeves. So the only thing that they gave was this sort of slit here. It looks quite cute, to be honest. I mean, it's a simple top, and with that slit, it kind of, you know, looks a little different. So yeah, the material is nice. It's warm. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's not exactly turtleneck, like it stretches out a little bit, so you'll be able to see in the try on. And I love the color, it's like so pretty. And yeah, got this in size M again. Moving on to the next item, again a black top. So this is how it looks like. This is sort of like an off-the-shoulder top. You can definitely wear it over the shoulder, but I don't know how comfortable you will be, because it might just keep falling off. Then the sleeves are like sort of balloon sleeves. Not exactly balloon, but it's like, it's a beautiful sleeve. I actually got this for the sleeves, and it has like cuffs at the end of the sleeve, so it gives it a really smart look, like a sort of a semi-formal look. And the material is like in this very beautiful satin material, and then at the back it has this ruching, so you know, it's quite secure. It's not gonna fall off. And then at the front, it just looks like this, like it has a lot of pleating going on. This was so affordable. I was very skeptical to get this one. I was like, this is not gonna look good on me. I mean, it looked so good on the model. It's quite hard to believe that it's gonna look like that. But fortunately it turned out really nice. As you can see, I got this in size M again, and also it was again very affordable. Okay, so we are almost at the end of the video. That was quick. I just have one last thing to show you, and that is this top. So this is again, let me quickly show it to you. So this is how it looks like. It has this beautiful ruching going on at the front, and that's how the sleeves looks like. I think the sleeves are so cute. Like, it has this satin border going on here, and it just gives it a sort of a very cute touch. And the entire area from the front to the back is like ruched, and it's like very stretchable. So get it in your size, it's gonna fit. There are like no zips or anything. It's pretty stretchable, and the sleeves are like completely mesh. So yeah, I think this is such a pretty top, perfect for summers. You can, you know, wear it with skirts or your shorts, jeans, anything you feel like. I think I've worn this quite a lot of times outside already. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you liked it, and do check out these pieces from Amazon. Yeah, so that was it. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy watching this video, definitely hit that like button, and I'll see you soon again in my next video. So stay tuned till then. Stay safe, stay happy, and I'll see you soon. Bye.